Welcome to Campground Maintenance Manager, the only combination website and software for campground employers, managers, and work campers. Campground employers and managers can now manage all campground operations from a single intuitive platform. The CMM website, combined with the #1 employee scheduling software, provides a smarter, faster, and easier way to unite, hire, train, and manage the most qualified work campers. The result among campground employers is an increase in quality and quantity of work performed, customer satisfaction, and ratings. The results among managers and work campers is an increase in productivity, morale, and desire to extend their stay. Employers, campground managers, and work campers join for free and receive an eye-catching web profile page that can be used to promote the employer's campground and surrounding area. Promote manager and work camper employment opportunities. Promote the managers and work campers' capabilities, preferences, and resume to employers. Let's get started. Join today to begin receiving your free benefits. Test drive the CMM software free for 60 days. View our informative resources and blogs. Create a resume using the My Resume Assistant.